Today we're going to show how to wire our indoor air handling units, starting with our 4-way cassette here. Power comes from the outdoor unit, and as well as the communication wire. We're going to show how to wire using the wiring from our accessory wiring kit, which includes the power wire and the communication wire plus a ground. You can take this wiring demo here for all of our indoor units, especially our 4-way cassette, 1-way cassette, and our ducted units. So using 4-way cassette as our example here, one of the things to remember is that you have access to our control board through the bottom of the unit instead of on the side of the unit, so everything can be done underneath the ceiling. We'll start by running the wire here. You'll see there's a rubber grommet that gives us a chase here. For us to bring the wire up to the 1, 2, 3 terminal, there is a wire holder here. It'll be 2 screws, and just pop that open. Bring it through one of the larger openings, and then we'll wire to the 1, 2, 3. Please remember that whatever 1, 2, 3 is on the outdoor unit must be 1, 2, 3 on the indoor unit. So for our example here, we'll use the black wire as 1. Use the white wire as 2. And the red wire on number 3. And then lastly will be our ground wire. You'll see we have a side over here with a green screw. The screw, there's our loop. And then secure the wire through the chase by closing the clamp and reinserting the 2 screws back in it.